Welcome to English Mastery Buddy. Today, you will learn 21 useful meeting words and phrases in English. For every word or phrase, you will hear a simple meaning, one example sentence, a short office scene, and repeat after me practice. Listen carefully. Repeat out loud. Let's begin. Word 1. Meeting. Meaning, a planned talk about work. Example sentence. We have a meeting at 10. Office scene. Sarah walks into the meeting room at 10. Repeat after me. Meeting. Meeting. Good. Let's keep going. Word 2. To attend a meeting. Meaning, to go to a meeting and take part. Example sentence. I attend a team meeting every Monday. Office scene. Sarah attends the meeting with her manager. Repeat after me. To attend a meeting. To attend a meeting. Good. Let's keep going. Word 3. Agenda. Meaning, a list of topics for a meeting. Example sentence. Please read the agenda before the call. Office scene. She opens the agenda before anyone speaks. Repeat after me. Agenda. Agenda. Good. Let's keep going. Word 4. To discuss. Meaning, to talk about something with other people. Example sentence. We discussed the new plan. Office scene. Her manager discusses the proposal with the team. Repeat after me. To discuss. To discuss. Good. Let's keep going. Word 5. To have a conference call. Meaning, to talk with several people by phone or online. Example sentence. We have a conference call with the client. Office scene. The team joins a conference call after lunch. Repeat after me. To have a conference call. To have a conference call. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Starting a meeting. Listen and repeat. Meeting. To attend a meeting. Agenda. To discuss. To have a conference call. Now picture these words in a real office meeting. Meeting. To attend a meeting. Agenda. To discuss. To have a conference call. Word 6. To take minutes. Meaning, to write notes about what happens in a meeting. Example sentence. Alex takes minutes during the meeting. Office scene. He writes down each decision in the minutes. Repeat after me. To take minutes. To take minutes. Good. Let's keep going. Word 7. To take questions. Meaning, to let people ask questions. Example sentence. The manager takes questions at the end. Office scene. Sarah raises her hand and asks a question. Repeat after me. To take questions. To take questions. Good. Let's keep going. Word 8. To be absent. Meaning, to not be at a meeting or work. Example sentence. Tom is absent today. Office scene. The team notices that one person is absent. Repeat after me. To be absent. To be absent. Good. Let's keep going. Word 9. To interrupt. Meaning, to speak while another person is speaking. Example sentence. Please do not interrupt the speaker. Office scene. Sarah waits, so she does not interrupt her manager. Repeat after me. To interrupt. To interrupt. Good. Let's keep going. Word 10. To reach a consensus. Meaning, to agree after a discussion. Example sentence. We reach a consensus after 10 minutes. Office scene. Everyone talks, and the team reaches a consensus. Repeat after me. To reach a consensus. To reach a consensus. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Discussion and questions. Listen and repeat. To take minutes. To take questions. To be absent. To interrupt. To reach a consensus. Now picture these words in a real office meeting. To take minutes. To take questions. To be absent. To interrupt. To reach a consensus. Word 11. Unanimous vote. Meaning, a vote where everyone chooses the same thing. Example sentence. The board has a unanimous vote. Office scene. All hands go up in a unanimous vote. Repeat after me. Unanimous vote. Unanimous vote. Good. Let's keep going. Word 12. Action points. Meaning, tasks that people must do after a meeting. Example sentence. The action points are on the board. Office scene. The manager gives Sarah 2 action points. Repeat after me. Action points. Action points. Good. Let's keep going. Word 13. Show of hands. Meaning, a vote where people raise their hands. Example sentence. Let's vote by a show of hands. Office scene. 5 people raise their hands for the idea. Repeat after me. Show of hands. Show of hands. Good. Let's keep going. Word 14. Any other business. Meaning, the final part of a meeting for extra topics. Example sentence. Is there any other business? Office scene. The chair asks about any other business. Repeat after me. Any other business. Any other business. Good. Let's keep going. Word 15. Boardroom. Meaning, a formal meeting room for important meetings. Example sentence. The directors meet in the boardroom. Office scene. Sarah enters the boardroom with her notebook. Repeat after me. Boardroom. Boardroom. Good. Let's keep going. Word 16. Board of directors. Meaning, the group of people who guide a company. Example sentence. The board of directors reviews the plan. Office scene. The board of directors meets once a month. Repeat after me. Board of directors. Board of directors. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Voting and decisions. Listen and repeat. Unanimous vote. Action points. Show of hands. Any other business. Boardroom. Board of directors. Now picture these words in a real office meeting. Unanimous vote. Action points. Show of hands. Any other business. Boardroom. Board of directors. Word 17. To reach an agreement. Meaning, to decide the same thing after talking. Example sentence. We reach an agreement today. Office scene. The client and the manager reach an agreement. Repeat after me. To reach an agreement. To reach an agreement. Good. Let's keep going. Word 18. Annual General Meeting, AGM. Meaning, a yearly formal meeting for a company or group. Example sentence. The AGM is in June. Office scene. The company holds its AGM in the boardroom. Repeat after me. Annual General Meeting, AGM. Annual General Meeting, AGM. Good. Let's keep going. Word 19. To wrap up the meeting. Meaning, to finish a meeting. Example sentence. Let's wrap up the meeting. Office scene. The manager wraps up the meeting before lunch. Repeat after me. To wrap up the meeting. To wrap up the meeting. Good. Let's keep going. Word 20. Whiteboard. Meaning, a board people write on during a meeting. Example sentence. Write the action points on the whiteboard. Office scene. Sarah writes the deadline on the whiteboard. Repeat after me. Whiteboard. Whiteboard. Good. Let's keep going. Word 21. Notebook. Meaning, a small book used for writing notes. Example sentence. I bring a notebook to every meeting. Office scene. She writes 3 ideas in her notebook. Repeat after me. Notebook. Notebook. Good. Let's keep going. Quick review. Meeting rooms and notes. Listen and repeat. To reach an agreement. Annual General Meeting, AGM. To wrap up the meeting. Whiteboard. Notebook. Now picture these words in a real office meeting. To reach an agreement. Annual General Meeting, AGM. To wrap up the meeting. Whiteboard. Notebook. Now let's do a full review. Repeat after me. Meeting. To attend a meeting. Agenda. To discuss. To have a conference call. To take minutes. To take questions. To be absent. To interrupt. To reach a consensus. Unanimous vote. Action points. Show of hands. Any other business. Boardroom. Board of directors. To reach an agreement. Annual General Meeting, AGM. To wrap up the meeting. Whiteboard. Notebook. Excellent. These words help you join meetings, ask questions, take notes, vote, and make decisions. Now let's do a short meeting listening test. Listen to each office scene. Say the keyword or phrase after me. Sarah walks into the room at 10. She will attend a meeting. The paper shows today's topics. It is the agenda. The team talks about the new plan. They discuss the plan. 3 people join by video. They have a conference call. Alex writes the decisions. He takes minutes. The manager says, please ask now. She takes questions. 1 worker is not there. He is absent. Maria waits before she speaks. She does not interrupt. Everyone agrees after talking. They reach a consensus. Everyone votes yes. It is a unanimous vote. Great. Listen again and repeat the key phrases. Attend a meeting. Agenda. Discuss. Conference call. Take minutes. Take questions. Absent. Interrupt. Reach a consensus. Unanimous vote. Now shadow these office meeting sentences. Speak with me. The action points are on the whiteboard. Let's vote by a show of hands. Is there any other business? The directors are in the boardroom. The board of directors reviews the plan. The client and the manager reach an agreement. The annual general meeting is in June. Let's wrap up the meeting before lunch. Sarah writes the deadline on the whiteboard. She writes 3 ideas in her notebook. One more time. The action points are on the whiteboard. Let's vote by a show of hands. Is there any other business? Let's wrap up the meeting. Great job. Today, you learned 21 meeting words and phrases in English. After this video, choose 5 words and make 5 simple office sentences. If this lesson helped you, please like the video, subscribe to English Mastery Buddy, and write one meeting word in the comments.